Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're gonna learn how to render denim with lacy fabric. Use empty refill or a seam ripper. The technique which I'm showing is embossed technique. Use a ruler or randomly draw lines. I'm using Yale blue color. First, draw the outline. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let the base layer be the lightest. Then start giving shadows on the necessary areas. The pencil which I am using is from Staedtler. It's water based and highly pigmented. This is a denim series. If you haven't watched the other parts of this series, watch it from the I button. For highlighting trims and seams, I am using white gel pen. This gel pen is from Uniball. To show the lacy effect, render the skin. Then render the base. Draw slant grids. Slightly erase the grid lines and draw some motifs. So we are done with the fifth part of this series. Few more videos coming on this series, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on other social media. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.